Hello everyone, today we're going to open and build this 2024 LEGO Sonic the Hedgehog set, Shadow's Escape. Without further ado, let's open it up and start building. So, here's how we're going to open it. Just push it open and get everything else. finished building Shadow Escape, of course, you have the Shadow minifigure, a rhino bot, the bike, and also the place where Shadow was captured. First, we're going to take a look at the Rhino board. So it's actually a pretty simple build. You got the printed eyes. I think it's going to be quite useful. You do have the minion mini figures. It's a fairly nice looking robot, and got the little bird. You can put it inside, or you can place something inside. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the Rhino board. And then we have the Shadow bike. Again, you got like printed element here, but the bike itself, I find it looking really nice compared to the product image. The actual thing, looks cooler than it shows, and the thing that with all these printed pieces, it just looks really good. Like even not Shadow riding it, having an other minifigure riding it, still cool. Next, we have the tank or container that capture shadow. It's a very nice build. I really like the build, and you've got some action feature here. So pretty much, if you push here, then the front what how should I call it? Whatever that it should call it, it will get pushed out so that shadow can escape. And you can see also this kind of drop down, and furthermore you can actually push it through in this angles to simulate the action where shadow ride his bike and run through the barrier. One of the nice surprises, this printed pieces here to showcase shadows, details, and vitals. I'm very impressed with Sonic the Hedgehog set so far because none of them have any stickers. And finally, we have Shadow's minifigure. To be honest, this is an excellent minifigure. To be honest, I haven't played games that featuring Shadow. I only played Sonic 3 and Sonic and Knuckles. So Shadow kind of still new to me, but you see a lovely molded head with dual molded and printed legs, which is very rare. The fact that this set was on like 30% discount, there's no reason for me to not buy this set, because by buying this set, I now complete all the main characters that release in minifigures in the Sonic the Hedgehog theme. And this is Shadow Escape, and I'm very surprised with the quality of this set. I end up really liking it. To be honest, originally this set was not on my wish list, just because it has a very nice discount, and buying this I will complete all the characters in this theme. And I do recommend this set because everything in this set is very cool. So if you know about Sonic and you show interest, this is definitely a set that I recommend. But of course, if you're not into Sonic the Hedgehog, then there's nothing much to sell you in this set. However, the bike does look very nice. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and I'll see you next time.